Time adverbs used with the present perfect tense. Time adverbs. Time adverbs act like signposts, pinpointing the time frame of your present perfect sentences. Here's a breakdown of some commonly used adverbs and how they influence the meaning. Just indicates an action that happened very recently. Example: I have just finished writing this blog post. Already emphasizes that something has happened before the expected time or mentioned previously. Example: she has already arrived, even though we expected her later. Yet suggests that something hasn't happened up to this point, but it might happen in the future. Example: we haven't finished the project yet. Ever. Used to ask or talk about experiences in someone's entire lifetime. Example: have you ever been to France? Never. Indicates that something has not happened at any point in the past. Example: I have never seen a kangaroo. Since highlights the starting point of an action that continues to the present. Example: she has been working here since last year. 4. Indicates the duration of an action that started in the past and continues to the present. Example: they have been living in this house for 5 years. How long? Asks about the duration of an action that started in the past and continues to the present. Example: how long have you been studying English? Thank you for watching Miss English.